Today we're going to Paradise Nature Park in Barbados, guys. So come along with us and let's take a tour. Ta-da! Okay, so let's go see the rabbits now. So we're going to see the rabbits. Where the rabbits at? Oh.
That's crazy.
Like they go in and sleep. It look like an eagle. Oh, look, there's some sheep behind there. Oh.
You only see the color, but we don't know sheep. Look. You only see the color. Look down here is plants, and then that will lead back up to another. One of the monkeys didn't get any guavas off of the tree.
These animals.
These animals may fight. Let me see that.
They come in.
They're up to 132 pounds. Goodness, that's
Oh,
heavy.
wow.
That's a whole human.
They're coming. No, they're coming.
You know. Are you like the ad? Something behind that fence. Grabbing their fence. What is this? Let's go see. And there's
Something else now keep a noise behind it. Oh, the laughing bird?
yeah.
So let's go and see what's in here now, guys. Oh, so we got the vanilla orchids there. Look at the pretty orchids. Which one is this? Oh, this one is gorgeous. We're going to look for that song just now. Oh, something big was in that cage, I guess. Oh, these is gorgeous. Look at these ones out here.
Yeah, I figured them. Oh, wait. I ain't gonna come that way to exit, but first time I ever seen a pineapple. Barbados was known for growing pineapples.
This is gorgeous. So we're still out here at Nature Park, guys. We're still touring so far. Look at the goats behind me. So these are supposed to be the the little short dwarf goat. Yeah, we can look up the name shortly. We can see what it is. We continue. Oh, it's a dragon fruit tree. What? We got some pineapple trees. Oh, we got some birds behind there. Oh, we got some spinach too. Elvis? Oh, hi Elvis. How are you? Say hi to Elvis, guys. Hi Elvis. Elvis, are you camera shy? Elvis camera shy, guys. Elvis got his own nice little... Oh, he not. Look. He come in to say hi. Hello. Elvis come to say hi, guys. Take a better look at Elvis. Look. That's Elvis. He's saying hello, guys. Hello, hello. And this is... Say hi, Rocky. Rocky got some serious horns.
Every time I take picture of him.
So we leaving Rocky and Elvis behind. We're going ahead to see what else we can see. This is a lovely park, to be honest. Let me see these little foot goat over here. Kathleen, take some pictures of them too. I want pictures.
I did take pictures.
All the animals. Look, this one look like he's pregnant. Look at these, look. So when you come to Barbados and you want to see all the different animals, come visit Nature Park Barbados, guys. It is lovely. There's so many things in here I've not expect to see. Look at that. Where you trying to escape to, buddy? He got his head out. They better watch he can get away. Where we going to see the macaws?
Oh, I don't know how to that green parrot. He's lonely. They probably catch you down with me. They got a lot down there.
Yeah, got enough of them green parrots that be flying about. Oh my God, look at the peacock. It's all white. It's gorgeous. Say good evening. You see, here he said good evening. There's a green winged macaw, a blue and a gold macaw. Oh. These two over here not camera shy. Oh, he alone over here. Hello, buddy. There's a toucan. Give me another squeak. Say hello. Hey, Miss Mona Lisa. Say hello, hello. Yeah, I see the toucan telling me hello. Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. We got some more goats over here. They're running. So it's not bad at all. It's not bad. You guys gotta come give it a visit. You have to come and visit the nature park in Barbados. I'll try to get some more information on it. This is not a paid video, by the way. We just came to visit. Oh, let's see what's going on. Oh, they got way more peacocks over here. Oh, lovely. They got the all white one over there by itself.
There's on that one. There's on that one.
And here we got, those were the Indian peafowl. Oh, here we got some turtles. Not a fan of turtles too much, guys. Oh, what is your name, buddy? What is your name? Let me go and see what his name is. Oh, he's an African pygmy goat. It's a lovely scenery. You guys have to come and visit. That was it? What we miss over there?
You see hands and peacocks. You can see this. One here and there.
There's another bird in there. Oh. Oh, look, this is the albino. Like Sonic. Yeah, that's this is the albino too.
So to press the cockatoo. Hey, Mr. Cockatoo. How are you? You good? Got lots of visitors.
Oh, he is gorgeous. Look at him. Absolute. Oh gosh, look, we get us some that. Ooh, look Catalina, you get it. Action, action. Oh, you get it, kisses. Tahi dance, Tahi the dance. Oh, yes, yes. We get an entertain. Oh.
Hello, Mr. Cockatoo. Are you hungry? Popcorn. It says your name is Popcorn.
Oh.
Hi, Popcorn. Hi, Popcorn. Is that you? Can you tell at me? Hi, Popcorn. Okay, do the same. You like that?
Say popcorn.
If you shoot,
Look at it. Look at him. Gorgeous. Ah, that is gorgeous. Guys, so there you go. We've had a tour of Nature Park, Barbados. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. You have a cafe over there. You can go sit and chill. The kiddies could run around. There is nice space for playing. So don't forget to come and check out Nature Park, Barbados. It's absolutely, absolutely gorgeous out here, guys.